Okay, back again. Been a few months. Moved house twice. Obviously COVID's kicked in, gone, and then back in New Zealand again. No excuse really. I've just been a bit slack. I do have my truck in my garage next to my Nova. And yeah, this will do a quick update. Since I got it here, I'm having wicked electrical issues. Can't quite figure it out yet, but we will get there. Oh, and I got my door glass. So, well, two door glasses should I say. So I got two door glasses, laminated, and I can't find where my bottom runs are at the moment after moving twice to install them onto the door channels. The next problem is that I can't use the electric window switch to get the door channels to come up to mount the runs to the thing that I have, because I've got some sort of an electrical gremlin. So I've pulled my ignition barrel out to test that, and that's all working fine. Yeah, I'll say fine. So battery power comes in, turn it to accessories backwards, it will work. Turn it to accessories forwards, there's nothing on that pin. Turn it to ignition, so all your dash lights and everything else are coming on. Fuel pump kicks in, everything else is working. Click it over to start, and there's nothing. So problem one is I think I have a faulty one of these. It's not triggering the accessory wire when you go from the off position to accessory towards ignition. So yeah, I'm gonna maybe look at pulling that apart. It hasn't done any miles at all. It's probably been used about 20 starts, and hopefully that's not it. In the meantime, I went and made a little jump wire. Where do I put it? There it is. A little jump wire. So it's just quite simply 4 connectors which I plug into the back of the American Auto wire connector terminal, all joined together. And so I can plug that into power. All of these become live, and then I can plug it into accessory, ignition. Everything comes live, the dash lights, everything comes on. And then when I put this one into the start one, as soon as I hit it into the start one, nothing, everything dies, everything turns off. So I think I've either got an earth issue somewhere, bad earth, or I've got some sort of a problem up in the fuse block, because there was a loud tick up in the fuse block. I'm just trying to think what's up there from the starter circuit. So everything worked until I hit the start circuit. Haven't blown any fuses, all my master fuses are fine, still got 12 volts on the battery. Leave it for 3 or 4 days, come back, haven't touched a thing, put the little test wire back in, and all of a sudden power's there. Power can go to accessories, power can go to ignition. As soon as you hit it onto the start circuit, the whole lot dies, and it seems to cycle. So something's going on somewhere outside of my skill set, but I want to move the ECU from under the step well anyway. I'm going to bring the ECU up into the cabin through the foothole and get a grommet for that. So then it's going to run down basically through the drive tunnel under the seat here, and the ECU will actually sit under the seat with the amp for the radio, because I'm going to go radio-less. I'm just going to go straight to an amp and Bluetooth off my phone. So, haven't really done much. Still in bits and pieces, used as a storage container. But we'll figure it out. That's my electrical problem down under here. Anyway, we'll go and have a look and a play, and I'll post up when I figure out what it is.